Hello and welcome to the Amazon FBA Sourcing Success Guide. Now in this course, we're going to be talking about where you can find things to sell in your Amazon FBA business. In some cases, you're going to want to start in your local area looking for those things. And once you understand the marketplace, how people buy, you may then want to start scaling up what it is that you sell. This will mean that in some cases you'll be moving from sourcing to wholesaling and negotiating online. Amazon FBA depends on the fact that Amazon is a massive consumer marketplace. And that means that you can determine how big or small you want your business to be by focusing on the needs of your customers. Now, physical products are just like traditional internet marketing in that you'll want to keep track of trends so that you know what sells to what consumer. So in this course, we'll assume that you know what the trends are. We'll assume that you know what sells. What we'll be doing is helping you to find those places where you can successfully get those goods at a cost that will help you to be able to be profitable in your Amazon FBA business. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.